Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum, good evening and welcome to my channel Isabel Cooking. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make paprika chicken curry. Okay guys, let's get started sauteing. I have here a half cup of canola oil and a cup of onion, whole masala or spices, and 3 pieces of red chillies slices, a tablespoon of garlic and ginger shredded, saute for about 5 minutes or until well brown. And add a tablespoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt and pepper to taste, and half teaspoon of curry powder, okay. Now we add our chicken. It's about a kilo of skinless chicken. So yes guys, cover the pot with a lid and bring to a boil over high heat. And yes, we add a cup of yogurt, and yes guys, a cup of chicken broth, and a sprinkle of garam masala or mixed spice, hot spice, and garnish with ginger, coriander leaves and green chillies. So guys, it's almost done, and ipi-plating lang natin. So lalagyan na natin sa ating serving plate guys. Wow, smells so good. So yes guys, it's done. Ready to serve, ready to eat. This is so yummy guys. Hey guys, so yummy. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Happy cooking. And guys, thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate. And guys, subscribe to my channel to fill up on the latest most eat recipes. And syempre, remember, if you like my video, please press the bell icon so you'll get notification every time I post a new video. And of course, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Stay safe everyone and God bless. Bye. I'll see you soon on my next video.